back to my channel. I got these glasses in the mail this weekend and I wanted to film a little makeup tutorial for this. I feel like it's been a bit since I filmed the glasses makeup tutorial, so I thought this would be a good opportunity. So if you guys want to learn more on how to do this makeup, just keep watching. So when you're doing makeup for when you're gonna wear glasses, one of the most important things is to set this area right here. I already did my base makeup and set the rest of my face, but I just wanted to go in and make sure this area is properly set. So I'm gonna take a smaller brush and just take my powder and just really set the area where my glasses are gonna sit. Now that my base makeup is set, I'm gonna go straight into my eye makeup. In terms of eyeshadow, I'm gonna stay very neutral and focus more on my lashes and my eyeliner. So I'm just taking this beige color and I'm going to apply it all over my lids. It's been like a minute since I filmed a talking video, and to be honest, I'm a lot more comfortable filming videos where I am not talking in the actual video, but I don't know. I'm also gonna go in with this pinkish color and I'm putting it at the ends of my eyes and all over my under eyes. Yeah, just let me know what you guys prefer, and I promise I won't be offended if you guys like it when I don't talk, because to be honest, I am a lot more comfortable filming that way. But I'm gonna take a flatter eyeshadow brush and I'm using gray. Lately I've been really into using gray shadows in like places that I would usually use brown. But I'm just making sure everything is blended out evenly. Okay, I'm gonna use the same color and the tip of my brush to bring the gray into my under eyes. This is another easy way to make your eyes look bigger without drawing like a line in your under eyes to connect the area. So for my eyeliner, I'm gonna take a black liquid liner and I'm bringing it upwards. I'm going to take a angled brush and a brown color to sharpen my inner corner. And then I'm going to go over this with my eyeliner. Even though this is a stronger makeup look, I'm still going to be doing my 𝐲𝐸𝐴 because this shortens the mid face and I kind of have a longer face. So I'm just shading under where my 𝐲𝐸𝐴 naturally forms, and then I'm taking the concealer end to highlight. And then to make the area more natural, I'm going over it with a pink tone beige color. I'm taking a smaller brush and this darker gray color, and I'm going to use it to fill in this back area right here. So now for my lashes, I'm gonna go in with these cluster manhwa lashes that I got off of Amazon. I'm taking the size 11 clusters at the front of my eyes and the 12s at the end. So the 11s are still really long at the front of my eyes, so I'm gonna take this shorter lash Now moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to use the 𝘀𝐀𝐶𝗰𝗶 Heart Formula in gray, and I'm just going to be following the natural curve of my brow, but I'm making sure the brow ends longer than my eyeliner. For my blush, I'm going to be using my favorite blush color, which is Blueberry Chip, and I'm going to be applying it right here under my eyes. And I am applying my blush horizontally. And I'm going to tie the blush into my eye makeup by applying it on my brow bone. And I'm going to go over my lip line with a brown lip pencil. Then I'm going to go over the brown with a rose color. For my actual lip color, I'm going to use the 𝘀𝐻𝐵𝗹 Ink Mood Glowy Tint in the shade 19. And I'm just going to apply it all over my lips. I'm going to take an angled brush and a dark brown eyeshadow to lift my inner corners. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Judy Doll highlighter, and I'm just applying it to my brow bone and my nose. I forgot to do my bottom lashes and knew something was missing. Now I'm taking a toothpick and curling my lashes downwards. And now I'm going to take my eyeliner and redraw my mole. Okay, so now I'm actually done with my makeup.